Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make a task list in Notion. Okay, so in the name of our Notion let's type in something like tasks to complete. Then in the next row let's type in /page. This is done to basically when we complete our task we can archive it, meaning that we have completed it and we no longer need it. Let's name it archives tasks. You can also add an icon if you want for easier navigation. Let's for example choose a check mark. Now let's type in template and choose this button. Now let's name it add task. This will correspond to basically us being able to create a new task by using this button. And now within this button let's create a new page and let's name it today. Also do not forget you need to type in this symbol and choose today. Now under today let's click on the plus icon and type in checklist, and you can type in anything you want. Now on the very top let's click on the plus icon again, and now we need to search for a callout. So let's type /callout and let's name it morning. You can also choose a different icon if you want. Now we need to select all of this we have created and drag it beautifully under our morning, just as so. And now it beautifully sits in place. And now from here you can create as many as you want. You can make a daily list of tasks, weekly, monthly, anything you want. And this is how you create tasks on Notion. As always, thanks for watching. Do not forget to press the subscribe button, like button, leave a comment if you want, and I will see you in the next one.